everyone, welcome to my LPS house tour. So yeah, let's get started. First, it's outside, some plants, and a little table, and that's the door. So when you enter the door, you'll end up here. You have this little table with a little picture behind it, and this is where we keep all of our food. Okay, moving on, we have a table with a giant cake on it. Here's an LPS oven. We have some seats in the kitchen, who knows why. There's a sink and our cook, Cora. And this is where Cora sleeps. So moving on to the next room. So here's the second floor. Oh wait, I'll show you my garage. This is the garage with some cars in it. Okay, back to this room. We have the couch, I know it's supposed to be a bed, and a huge chair. And that's where my sister Blake sleeps. Over here, let's do that. So this is the bathroom. That's like a huge vanity thing up there. The toilet, a little table, the bathtub, and the vanity thing. Also, it's supposed to be a sink. Okay, moving on to the next, which is my room. So, yeah. Now we have this cute little desk here. And my bed and just a pile of junk there. And a little postcard that came with her because I really never sent it to anyone. This poster up here. And this is Stephanie, and she's just some random cat that sleeps over. That's why she has her own little bed in there. So, to the third floor. Okay, so this is Jeff and Jack's room. This is Jeff, and this is Jack. Okay, so first of all we have Jack's bed, and then here's like a chest full of junk. Here's Naruto. Yeah, I feel bad that their boys in their room is peace signs, but whatever. And then that's Jeff's bed, and a little table. Their video game console with an invisible Xbox. And now, for the most interesting room in the house. This is my favorite room in the house. The party room! Okay, so this is the party room. We just have some little chairs right here and right here. The snack table for if anyone gets hungry. Also, this is a dance floor, and okay, so this is the dance floor right here. It's just a binder with some wooden blocks in it. So anyway, this is Alex, and he's our DJ. We have a deluxe music player, and my speaker, but it doesn't have a cord, so it doesn't work. And now for the last room in the house, the attic place. Okay, so this is the last room, and here's the little pile of clothes, and this is Lacey, and this is where she sleeps, in her little corner place, and we have this really old TV, and there's a broom back there, and that's Ruby's stuff, and this is Ruby. Some suitcases under this big chair that I made, and this is the mom and dad's room, and also we have flowers back there. Okay, here's an overall look at my house. Okay, so thank you for watching.